Hello, welcome to today's immigration tidbit. Guess what time of the year it is? It is H-1B time. So if you have a college degree and you have an employer willing to petition you and you have the ability to go and qualify for the H-1B, the doors are opening very soon in order to get them filed. Now, the H-1B program is more like a lottery program. Okay, this means that you most likely have about a 20 to 25% chance of getting chosen to be in this year's lottery. And even if you get chosen, that doesn't mean approval. However, there's one thing for sure. If you do not file it, then the chances of getting chosen are zero. Okay? So there usually needs to be some kind of backup plan. But right now, the number one priority is to get that H-1B prepared. And there's a lot of stuff that needs to be done. So let me tell you how my firm does it. Over the last few years, the H-1Bs have been gone very quickly. So there's basically two categories. There's the regular H-1Bs, which are college degrees, bachelor's, and then advanced degree H-1Bs, of which there's another 20,000 more or so, and those are of course masters and doctorates and so forth. And so generally, the regular H-1Bs within a week, if that, they're all gone. And add another week to 2 weeks, and all of the advanced degrees H-1Bs are gone. So the way that my firm normally does it is we first prepare the skeletal application. What that means is it's enough where if the H-1B gets chosen, they'll say, okay, well, it's been chosen and you need to give this, and that, okay? And then, of course, we prepare the remainder of the H-1B and get it filed once the case is chosen. It doesn't make sense to prepare it in full with everything, from cover to cover, 100%, if there's a 75% chance it won't even get chosen. So that's the two-step process. Skeletal application, by skeletal, it's a little more than that, but more or less skeletal application, wait to see if it's chosen, then file the remainder of the application. The fact is that if you have to file under the H-1B lottery, that you wouldn't start until next October anyways. That's when they all start. So the door opens, basically now. You get chosen, and hopefully it gets approved, chosen and then approved, and then the start date is next October. And there's, of course, all kinds of issues, whether you're in status, whether you fall under a cap gap, being F1 and then H-1B, whether you're going to have to consular process in with the H-1B. And of course, there's also the normal issues, whether you even need to go under the lottery. Did you have an H-1B before, necessitating that you don't have to file under the lottery again? Is it a non-profit, in which case it's capped exempt? So there are issues where you might not need to actually fall under the lottery. So this particular video is for those people essentially who are working for a profit company or are going to, and are have never had an H-1B before. Okay, then of course for sure you're going to fall under the lottery version of the H-1B in order to get it filed. So bottom line here, now's the time to move. I mean, there's the LCA and all kinds of stuff that needs to be prepared before it's filed. If you just file anything, they'll just deny it right off. They won't even look at it. So you have to file enough that at least they can see it's a bona fide H-1B application so that they can hopefully choose it and then move on from there. Okay, so get all your ducks lined up, get ready to go, and get ready to get it filed. FedEx, return receipt on the day that the doors open. Okay?